Hi all, today we are going to see a full-fledged coloring demo of a Madhubani fish. So materials used, I've used the Hindustan art sheet, which is a sketchbook which has 300 GSM, and Micron pen and drawing inks of various colors and few brushes. So here we go. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to draw and then see how we are going to color. So I'm going to draw a border with a pencil and draw an outline border with a pencil. We're going to sketch a Madhubani fish which we have already seen in one of our series. So I'm just going to draw a rough sketch of an Madhubani fish. You can just draw any of the fish that you want or any of the outline that you would like to do as a Madhubani. So this you can try in various art forms. It's not only on the paper, you can try on various items that you have for gifting. It's the best way to gift a beautiful traditional art. So now I'm going to use a Micron pen to draw the outline. As we already know, the outline will always be a double line. So quickly I'm just drawing an outline of the Madhubani drawing, the fish that I have sketched. So try to draw the outline first and then we will go on with the double line of it. So yeah, here it goes. So I think it's looking good. I'm just trying to draw the second double line. So the double line is the beauty of the Madhubani that we all know. It gives a nice bright outline and it just showcases all the elements of it. Whatever the elements that we are going to draw, that will be very nicely seen when these double lines are drawn very nicely. So I almost done with all the double line. So I think we should have the have erase. You can just erase the pencil sketchings here and there so that it gives a clean look. So I just did erase it, and now we're going to draw the complete picture of it. So you have a lot of Madhubani patterns and we have seen a lot of flower patterns, leaf patterns, border patterns. So you can draw your own pattern. I'm just trying to draw some fish pattern with some long petals. You can use any of the patterns that you like. So Madhubani is free form art and you can try using it in any of the patterns. So now I've just drawn some scales for it and trying to draw the parallel lines horizontally on the fins. Likewise on the other fins also, I'll just draw a simple design because most of this video is basically to showcase how a coloring to be done. So quickly I've done a sketch of it. So you will be able to do this, follow this, and you can do a final sketch of it. So now we're going to use colors. So I'm using a drawing ink. Now I'm using yellow color. I'm going to use different colors, yellow, scarlet, Persian blue, and initially I wanted to use an yellow color. I would suggest for every color that you are using, try to mix it with water and then try to use it. For the lighter colors it is okay, but for the darker colors, any color you choose, always have a mix of water and then use it. Because the colors are totally very concentrated and you will be having a very bright picture when you're drawing on a textured sketchbook. So I'm just trying to fill in the body part of the fish with yellow, and now I will be picking up the another color. So now we can pick up the orange color. So orange, you can see, so you can pick up the orange color and try to mix it with water. And see, now I have given it a dark shade. It is very dark, so now I'm mixing it with water to give a lighter shade. You can see the lighter shade moving in towards the fins from the darker to lighter. So try to give a lighter color on it so that the patterns that you have drawn in the Micron pen or in any of the black pen will be very visibly seen. That is the reason that you have to mix it with the water. So go ahead and then do the coloring of it. So it's almost done, and in the between part I will be using it the orange also. So I'm just trying to have a kind of Nemo fish where we have a lot of orange and yellow. So go ahead and try. So what's next? So here I'm just trying to use two different colors for you to understand how the mix of water works. So I'm using this raw orange which is very dark. The one that I'm using now is the lighter color. It is the same orange mixed with water. So this is the difference that you see. So try to make a mixture of water and see how diluted you want it or how darker you want it for your image. Accordingly, you mix it with water. Now I'm going to use a Persian blue just for the bubbles that we are going to use. So I've just used Persian blue. Even the background of water can be done. I'll show in the image that we have right now. Now I'm using a Scarlet color and a 000 brush. So why is this required? For every Madhubani, when given a highlight with a darker color, it looks like a 3D. That is the again the tip of the day. So once you have done with the colors, you can see the difference because you're going to give a darker color as an outline to the lighter color that you have drawn. So that will give you a 3D effect. So for the yellow, I'm using the orange. For orange, I have used Scarlet. So now you can see the difference, right? So how the fins are coming up, how the gills are coming up, and you can see the it is more of it's looking like an embedded image, right? Embedded and embossed. So that gives a 3D look of it that is really nice, and that most of us forget. But then I wanted that to be very specifically shown in this video. You can see how it looks very different from the earlier image. It was a 2D image and now you have it as a 3D image. Now I'm just trying to keep some dots on it. So these are waterproof pens, so need not worry about the smudging of it. You can do some designs or some patterns post doing the coloring as well. So that's it. I think we are done with it. So try to add some pointers to it and we're done. Sign your final picture. This is all yours. You can also try a background, mix Persian blue with water, dilute it, and then give us a background. Thank you for subscribing. See you next Friday. Bye bye.